Looking for a cost-effective, professional-looking installation system that's easy to install? John's Manville Zeston PVC fitting covers deliver durability and efficiency for a wide range of applications. Let's start with a hot water system. The pipe insulation is already in place. Next, wrap a pre-cut high-low temperature insulation insert around each elbow. JM Zeston PVC inserts match the performance of the pipe insulation, protecting against physical damage and ensuring thermal efficiency from end to end. Prepare the fitting by inserting serrated tacks along the edges. This example shows a short radius 90-degree elbow, but fittings are available in 45-degree and 90-degree short and long radius elbows, T's, valves, and more. Once the tacks are in place, position the fitting snugly over the insert and press the tacks to secure it. The split design makes installation quick and secure, ideal for field conditions. After applying Zeston PVC jacketing over the pipe insulation, secure it with straps while the adhesive bonds. Seal all open edges for a water-resistant barrier. Finally, apply solvent-weld PVC adhesive along the lap for a strong, lasting bond. The result? A clean, professional finish that maximizes energy efficiency and minimizes maintenance. Mechanical rooms house heating and cooling equipment, and proper installation is key to efficiency. JM Zeston fittings simplify installation for Victaulic-style systems too. Just apply the insulation insert, add tacks, align the cover, and secure. Our step-down design makes it easy to customize for different pipe sizes. For below ambient systems, vapor barriers are critical. Follow the same steps as hot systems, then apply mastic or sealant to all surfaces for a complete vapor seal. This prevents condensation, water damage, and ensures long-term performance. When Zeston PVC jacketing and fittings are installed, mechanical rooms look clean and professional, and system integrity is assured. JM offers fittings in a wide range of shapes and sizes, plus accessories like serrated tacks, Z-tape, and permaweld adhesive. For FDA, USDA, and pharmaceutical applications, Zeston PVC fittings meet washdown requirements. Color coding options make system identification simple and attractive. For more details and installation guides, visit jm.com.